that? What is going on here? Let me pause my music so I can talk to you guys. If you can hear the song, I'm listening to Doja Cat, So High. But today I want to show you this mirror that I got at Marshall's. And this is, like a LED? Well, that was like a bad angle, my double chin, look at that. Yeah, so this is a LED, and let me go ahead and turn on the... Hey Siri, pause the music. Okay, so it has 6 bulbs, and they're LED. What are you talking about? Okay, and then I press it another, and then so it just goes all the way down, and then I just love how it's touchscreen, and also the size on it, it's pretty big. Like, oh, let me see, I have a hair spray bottle. So let's see, that's one. Yeah, so like 2 hairspray bottles. That's how big it is. So I don't have the measurements, I'm sorry, but the price that I paid for this was $29, I think. Let me see if on the back it has the name brand. No, it doesn't have the name brand. Oh, and it does use batteries also. Yeah, so. And then another thing I wanted to share with you is this table that I got from IKEA. What I like about it is that it's not bulky, and these, well, I can't even talk today. Jesus, this is how the legs look. So it's not bulky at all, and it was pretty easy to build and like to pull it out right here. And it goes pretty deep, like all the way in the back, which I do need to clean all this. I know, I just wanted to share with you what it looks like. And then on this side, my hair straightener is about to fall. And I do need to clean this too. Wow, okay. Let's just ignore that mess. But yeah, it's pretty good, and it's like sturdy. But the downside of it is that it really gets super dusty, so you have to be like cleaning it constantly. And which I'm about to do that right now. I'm gonna go ahead and edit it and upload it. But I also want to do like this is how curly my hair is. You see that? And I was gonna straighten it, but I recently got a haircut, and I want to show you this hair product that I got. I left it in the car, which I shouldn't have. I went to Marshall's yesterday. I have the bag right here. But I can't show you everything that I got because it's really not that important. But I did get this Caviar Anti-Aging. It's pretty much serum, but it says it's Color Hold Infinite. Why isn't it focusing? Okay, there it goes. Yeah, so it's a dual use booster for color treated hair, and supposedly it's free of parabens and synthetic color. And this was only $7.99 compared to $16, which I got onto Sephora, and I think one of the bottles was like $32 or $34. And this smells really, 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 really good compared to this Kenra blow dry spray thermal protection. And then I ran out of my Redken oil too, but I don't know, I like trying new things, and I'm gonna give this a try. Not right now because I just showered yesterday, and I really don't want to kill my hair more than what it is, because I did get a haircut, and I was blonde, and then we went to Mexico, and then I dyed my hair brown. But yeah, I'm like running out of breath. So yeah, I'm gonna give this a try and see how it goes. But I just really like how it smells, and it's really cold. I shouldn't have left it in the car. Okay, yeah, it's going back to its consistency of the... I thought it was gonna be like super like frozen. But yeah. Okay, well, that was all. Thank you for watching. And I know, like, I probably look like super dead right now. Look at my under eyes. Like, when we were in Mexico, I didn't really even like sleep that much, and so like I've noticed that my under eyes are like super like just kind of scary looking. And yeah, look how it looks from far away. Like, it's really, I'm probably gonna throw on like some sunglasses right now. I don't know, I need to go find something to like bring me back to life and make me not look like I'm like super dead. Why do I keep on saying again? I need to find another word for my vocabulary. All right, that was all for today's video. And like I said, this mirror, I got it at Marshall's, and I believe it was $29, and it's pretty good. I've had it for a month already. Yeah, because I got it right when we got back from Mexico. So I mean, let's see how long the bulbs last on me. Hopefully I don't have to like switch any of them, or like if they break. But yeah, this is what my setup looks like. All right, bye. Okay, I almost forgot to show you. Hey Siri, pause the music. Okay, I went to Sephora and I was asking the lady if she can help me with the shampoo, because I have pretty much tried all the shampoos that I can think of, because my hair is pretty it's pretty freaking dead. And okay, so to start off, the shampoo, I just got these out of the shower too. So the shampoo that the lady recommended was this brand Amika, and this is the Cure, and this is Repair shampoo. I've had this for, let's see, I bought it in November, so just yeah, going on for 2 months already. Hair abusers, take no serious rehab is on the way. Keratin mends and strengthens. All hair sins are forgiven. When I read that, I was like, what? It's speaking to me. Use it on wet hair, massage thoroughly, or massage through, rinse, avoid eye contact. So I've tried this for, like I said, 2 months already. And so far, I feel like my hair feels way better. It doesn't, what's the word I'm looking for? It doesn't, after I went blonde, like 4 months ago, my hair was like really sensitive, like to the point where I didn't even want to brush my hair. And so I bought this, the wet brush, and I love this brush. Like, it really, oh, it's kind of dirty. So I've been using this brush, but sometimes I don't even I'm all over the place. I don't even sometimes want to like brush it. So what I do is I got these twisty things from Marshall's also. It's a Turby twist, and you're supposed to use these like instead of using like a towel, which this one's like super beat up already. I do need to go get more. But this one, like once I'm out the shower, I put this on, and then I'm over there like making my tea or watching Teen Mom or reading a book, whatever it is that I'm doing. And then I take it off like after what, like 30 minutes, and my hair is kind of dry. So then that's whenever I go ahead and apply like the oil that I do for my hair. But then I got a haircut. The lady was talking to me, like she gave me like a hair lesson. She said that I'm not supposed to use a moisture mask, because she asked me how much do I use, and I told her like twice a week, and she said that I'm like overdoing it, that I'm probably like twice a month if anything. But whenever she cut my hair, she cut all the dead ends and everything. But she said this one's pretty good, and this one's a macadamia, and this one is kind of pricey. I'm gonna go ahead and put the price right now, somewhere right here, and then I'll put the price of this one too from Sephora. And then also she did recommend this IGK, and this one is Cleansing Walnut Scalp Scrub. I don't really know how I feel about this. I've only used it 3 times. Supposedly it's gonna exfoliate. And let me see. It smells really good though. I am gonna say it smells like it has that peppermint smell. And let me just show you what it looks like. So it looks like a body scrub, and it has those little like sand things. Is it focusing? Okay, can you see? Ew, I just noticed there was a hair right there. Okay. Yeah, so can you see the little scrubby things right there? I'm gonna try to get it closer, but yeah. It smells really good, like mint. And let me see. Yeah, it just smells like mint. So yeah, I'm still gonna give this a try. This is probably gonna work better for me like during the summer, because right now obviously it's cold and like my scalp is just going nuts right now because it's super dry. But this is let me see, UV protection. It says oil free, paraben and sulfates free, and supposedly it's vegan cruelty. I'm gonna try it out. But yeah, so this is a shampoo that I'm using, and then this scrub, and then this hair repair mask. So let's see how that goes, and hopefully my hair comes back to life. And then also I did change my dry shampoo. I smell this one and I like how it smells. I think it smells like mango or something, or no, it says right here melon, but I get like that mango smell. It smells pretty good. And this one's Not Your Mother's. I actually like their products. Whenever I was blonde, I had their platinum shampoo. Whoa. And then this hairspray, I was trying the Living Proof, but I'm trying this one now. So I'm probably gonna tame my baby hairs right now and then like fix this bun, because I can't go to Target looking all ridiculous. So yeah, this is all for today's video. I know it's kind of all over the place, but I just wanted to share with you the products. All right, peace.